With the secure provisioning feature in OpenGear's Lighthouse enterprise management software, network administrators are able to automate the deployment and configuration of equipment at remote sites securely from day one using a NetOps console server. Here's how it works. The OM appliances are pre-configured at the Network Operations Center for network connectivity at the destination site and authentication to Lighthouse. The appliance is then shipped to the destination site where it is racked, stacked, and turned on. The TPM chip in the OM unit will automatically run integrity checks, guaranteeing that the appliance has not been tampered with during delivery. The pre-configured OpenGear appliance will call home via a secure cellular connection, creating a WAN Bootstrap Network which serves as a separate, authenticated out-of-band network between the destination site and Central Operations Center. To begin the automated configuration of end devices, the network admin first prepares the files in Lighthouse. The distribution policy in the Lighthouse embedded automation engine ensures that the correct configuration files are delivered to each OpenGear appliance managing the target end devices. Finally, the NetOps console server, being a ZTP server, distributes each configuration file to its final destination. The Secure Provisioning Module on the OpenGear NetOps automation platform completely automates the deployment and configuration of network equipment at remote sites with security and integrity at every step. To learn more or schedule a demo, visit us at opengear.com.